So I just want to make this quick video to show you guys how to open your tailgate if the handle breaks like mine did. So mine broke with the tonneau cover closed, so that was a big problem. So I'm going to show you how to open it without having to go through the back. So if you look up in here, if it focuses, basically it won't focus. Let me put the screwdriver down. This little plastic piece, when you pull it, it pushes down on a metal latch in there. And this is the side that broke over here. It's kind of hard to show it, but there is a metal latch up in there. And all you got to do is take a screwdriver, stick it way up in there on top of that latch, and just pry down on it. It will release the latch. Next, you're going to want to take all of these T27s out. Alright, once you get that out, I want to show you guys exactly what I was talking about. When you're sticking that screwdriver up in the bottom, this is the latch I'm talking about that you want to get on top of and pull it down, which releases it. So now all it looks like you got to do is just take these two bolts out, which I'll let you know a size in a second, and the whole handle should just drop right out. So it is two 10 millimeters. This is the new one that I went with. I got this off Amazon. This one's fully metal, so shouldn't be breaking again. Well, that's all there is to it. Not sure if there's any adjustment with it. Mine is a little crooked. You probably can adjust it, but going with it.